Welcome back to Breathology, where today we are stepping into a concept so ambitious, so unreal, that it completely redefines what the word yacht even means. Imagine a private yacht that doesn't just float on the ocean, but rises from it like a modern marvel of engineering. Not 10 floors, not 20, but 100 full floors of ultra-luxury, towering above the water like a floating skyscraper. This is the world's first 100-floor, ultra-luxury private yacht, a vision designed for those who don't just want to travel the seas, but want to own a moving city of elegance, power, and absolute privacy. From the very first glance, this yacht feels less like a vessel and more like a futuristic metropolis built on water. Its sheer vertical scale changes the horizon around it. When it docks, nearby ships appear small and insignificant. The design combines advanced naval architecture with high-rise engineering, using reinforced composite materials and ultra-lightweight alloys to support its massive height, while maintaining balance and stability in open seas. Every curve of the exterior is shaped not only for beauty, but to cut through wind and waves with minimal resistance, ensuring a smooth and silent journey. As you enter the lower levels, you are welcomed into a world of grandeur. These decks are dedicated to arrival lounges, security zones, and vehicle bays where luxury cars, submarines, and high-speed tenders are stored. A private marina is integrated directly into the hull, allowing guests to arrive by yacht or helicopter without ever interacting with the outside world. The attention to privacy here is unmatched, with biometric access systems and intelligent security that adapts in real time. Moving upward, the residential floors begin. And this is where the yacht truly feels like a vertical palace. Each residence is custom designed, offering double-height ceilings, floor-to-ceiling glass walls, and panoramic ocean views that change with every mile traveled. These are not cabins. They are full-scale luxury apartments in the sky. Some floors are dedicated to single-owner penthouses spanning an entire level, complete with private gardens, infinity pools suspended above the sea, and personal staff quarters. Entertainment on this floating skyscraper goes beyond anything ever seen on water. Multiple floors are reserved for leisure and experiences. There is a grand opera hall with acoustics rivaling the world's best theaters, a multi-level cinema complex with private screening rooms, and immersive virtual reality zones that allow guests to explore digital worlds while sailing across real oceans. A luxury shopping boulevard runs through several decks, featuring flagship stores, custom ateliers, and jewelry boutiques offering one-of-a-kind creations. Dining aboard the yacht is an experience in itself. World-renowned chefs curate menus across dozens of restaurants, each with its own theme and atmosphere. From fine dining at the top floors where you can enjoy a meal above the clouds, to underwater restaurants with glass walls revealing marine life below, every meal feels like a once-in-a-lifetime moment. Ingredients are sourced globally through a dedicated supply network, ensuring absolute freshness no matter where the yacht travels. Wellness and relaxation occupy an entire vertical zone of the yacht. There are spa levels with ocean-facing treatment rooms, thermal pools, meditation gardens, and saltwater therapy chambers. A full-scale medical and longevity center is on board, equipped with advanced diagnostic technology, ensuring guests have access to the highest level of care anywhere in the world. Fitness floors include panoramic gyms, climbing walls running several stories high, and indoor running tracks that circle the structure with breathtaking views. As you ascend higher, the yacht transitions into business and innovation spaces. Executive floors house private boardrooms, conference halls, and secure communication centers, allowing global decisions to be made while crossing international waters. These spaces are designed for billionaires, world leaders, and visionaries who need complete discretion and uninterrupted connectivity. Advanced satellite systems ensure flawless communication even in the most remote parts of the ocean. The topmost floors are where the yacht reaches its most iconic form. Sky gardens stretch across open terraces, with rare plants growing in climate-controlled environments. Observation decks offer 360-degree views of the ocean, sunrises, and star-filled skies. At the very peak sits a private owner's retreat, a sanctuary above all else, featuring a glass-domed suite where the sky and sea blend into one endless horizon. Powering this colossal structure is a next-generation hybrid propulsion system. The yacht uses a combination of clean fuel technology, solar integrated surfaces, and energy recovery systems to reduce environmental impact while maintaining incredible performance. Despite its size, it is designed to glide through the water quietly, respecting marine ecosystems and setting new standards for sustainable luxury. What truly sets this 100-floor yacht apart is not just its size, but what it represents. It is the ultimate symbol of human ambition, where architecture, engineering, and luxury come together in a way never seen before. It challenges the idea that skyscrapers belong only on land, and proves that even the ocean can host vertical cities of elegance. This floating skyscraper is not meant for mass ownership or public tours. It is designed for a select few who want absolute freedom, who want to wake up in one country and fall asleep in another, all while living in a space that rivals the world's most luxurious real estate. It is a moving empire, a private world that answers to no borders. As technology and imagination continue to evolve, concepts like this are no longer just dreams. They are glimpses into a future where luxury has no limits, and where the sea becomes the foundation for the most extraordinary creations ever built. And as we witness ideas like the world's first 100-floor, ultra-luxury private yacht, one thing becomes clear: the future of luxury is not just floating, it is rising.